Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I have two exciting announcements to share with you. The first is a challenge that I am so excited to participate in. It is a seasonal garland DIY challenge. I am hosting it, Sandra at the Schwowin's Nest, and my co-host is Jamie at Simple Roots Simple Living. The date for the challenge is Tuesday, November 3rd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned for the rules. Here are the rules. For the Seasonal Garland DIY Challenge, we want you to create a seasonal garland to decorate your home. It can be fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or winter themed. You can make your own garland completely from scratch, or you can buy a garland from the store, or if you have one in your stash, and add things to it to make it unique and your own. There's no budget for this challenge, so you can do anything you like. Next, we want you to mention both of us and our channels in the video, and we'd like you to link our channels and the playlist link in your description box of the video. Include the words Seasonal Garland DIY Challenge somewhere in your title. You can also use the hashtag Seasonal Garland DIY in your description box. Have your video ready to add to our playlist on November 3rd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The playlist link will be in our video description boxes and community at that time. We won't be releasing the playlist link the day before. It's going to be November 3rd at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lastly, we want to make sure you have fun. Creating these DIYs for these challenges can sometimes be a little stressful, and we don't want that for you. It should be a fun, enjoyable experience, and you should end up with something that you absolutely love. Jamie and I are super excited to be doing this challenge together, and we can't wait to see what everyone creates. We hope you'll participate. My next announcement is something that happened about a week ago. It was actually on our Canadian Thanksgiving Monday. I woke up to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I'm thankful and I'm grateful for everyone who views my channel and who has subscribed and is giving me their support. To show my thanks, I wanted to do a subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned for the rules. I am going to be giving away a box of my favorite things. First, there's the Craft Smart black paint pens that I just absolutely love for painting on top of chalk paint, on wood, on glass, on enamel, you name it. These black paint pens are fabulous. They're oil-based and permanent. The next item that you'll get is this spray paint trigger. If you've been watching my videos, when I spray paint, I always add this to the top of my can, and it really makes it so much easier to control the spray and to push down on the paint to get it to come out. My next favorite item is my Weld Bond glue. This glue works with wood, plastic, ceramic, enamel, paper, you name it, it's going to glue it. And the one thing that I really love about it is it only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to set up, and then you can continue working on your project. I absolutely love using alphabet stencils, so I'm going to be sending you a pack of probably 2-inch letters that are going to be perfect for signs, for pillows, for anything that you would like to DIY. I'm not quite sure of the style, but I'm hoping to be able to find this one. So I have been trying out different brushes, and I have found that these synthetic brushes are really nice and soft, and they give a beautiful smooth finish when you're using the DIY chalk paint that I like to use. So you'll get some assorted brushes in this gift pack. Last but not least is this Dollar Tree Buffalo Check shopping bag. They're plastic, and this image is not exactly as shown, but a lot of you have been asking where I find them. They are at Dollar Tree, but your Dollar Trees aren't carrying them. So every time I see some, I snatch them up. So I'm really excited to be able to share them with you. Here's a quick recap. the Craft Smart Black Paint Pen, the Spray Paint Trigger, Weld Bond All-Purpose Glue, Alphabet Stencils, assorted paintbrushes, and the Dollar Tree Buffalo Check shopping bag. To be entered into the draw, here are the rules. After watching my video, leave a comment and include the word giveaway in capital letters. The draw will take place on Friday, October 23rd in my video that I will upload probably in the afternoon sometime. Again, don't forget to leave a comment with the word giveaway in capital letters under this video. Good luck to everyone who participates. On a final note, if you are a current subscriber, I would like to thank you once again for your continued support. If you're new to my channel and you want to become a subscriber, just click on that button. Those two black arrows will tell you exactly where to hit. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.